This is off topic, but what is your take on freelancing in the field of Google Ads, especially now in this COVID era? Do you suggest Fiverr or Upwork? Okay, that's a very interesting question and a really good one as well. My take on any kind of initiative somebody is taking to earn a living for themselves and to support their family is always going to be positive, because whether you go on Fiverr, Upwork, or you are emailing agencies or companies asking them for work, not a problem. You take the initiative, you start looking for work if you don't have work for yourself or for your business. So there isn't much else to say on this except keep going. I know you will get a lot of knockbacks and a lot of companies and people are going to say no to you. You just have to keep going, and then you will find that you are getting work, you've got the job or the kind of clients you are looking for. With regards to the Fiverr and Upwork, there is a lot of traffic. There is a lot of people who are on there who are looking for professionals or companies to help them with their Google Ads, digital marketing, and so on. I would absolutely 100% open up an account and start actively replying to those jobs or applying for those jobs. One thing which I would highly recommend you do not do is copy and paste a reply and apply to those jobs. Every job is different to one another, and if you take the time to reply in a bespoke way and not just copy and paste your standard job application reply, people know that they have not made the effort. You have not looked through their requirements as well. And another thing which you also need to do is make sure that you read each and everything which is asked of you before you apply for that job. Because if you don't, then most employers are going to reject your application. They won't even bother looking at it. Forget rejecting, and you won't get anywhere. So yeah, absolutely, Fiverr, Upwork are a good place to start, and there are lots of other freelancing websites as well. Set up your account and get started.